Okay, today we are making super fluffy pancakes. Easy recipe. What can go wrong?
Everything, especially when you are the chef.
Separate egg white and yolk. Carefully don't break it.
Too late, I emotionally broke it already.
That's not even possible.
Watch me.
Add milk, oil, salt, vanilla, and now mix. Then add flour and then mix it well.
I am not mixing it, I am fighting it.
It's batter, not your enemy.
Take the egg whites out of the fridge and add some sugar. Why is this egg white not becoming fluffy?
Because you're whisking like you're angry at it.
I am angry at it.
Now gently fold egg white into batter.
Gently? I don't know this word.
No, don't mix like that. Trusha, I'm telling you, use a whisk. This is wasting our time.
No, I'm correct. You don't teach me.
Trusha, I'm telling you, this is not the right way. Just use a whisk instead.
Okay, I'm using a whisk. Happy? See, now that I'm using a whisk.
Now this is the right way to do it. You should always listen to me. Don't use the stupid brain you have.
Now time to pour this batter into a Ziploc bag. Trisha, careful, you're spilling it. Stop. Careful. Pouring batter on hot tawa is easy.
Why is it spreading like a map of the world?
It's called artistic pancakes.
Why are you putting water beside the pan?
Google said steam effect.
This is not spa, it's breakfast.
Time to flip.
It's just liquid.
Too late, flip mode activated.
Put water in the pan and then close it with the lid. So fluffy.
Yes, emotionally fluffy, not physically.
Next time we order from outside.
Or we become food vloggers who don't cook.